Assalamu alaikum my YouTube friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting beautiful denim handbags designs ideas. Denim is not just for jeans, it is a strong and stylish fabric that you can use to make many beautiful craft items. Today we will talk about easy denim handbags designs ideas. Most beautiful, stylish, different, outstanding denim handbags designs. You can watch this video. If you have old jeans sitting in your wardrobe, don't throw them away. Turn them into something stylish and useful. Denim is one of the most durable fabrics, and that's why it's perfect for making long-lasting handbags. Recycling denim is not only trendy but also helps reduce waste and protect the environment. You can create simple tote bags using old jeans with minimal cutting and stitching. Adding pockets from jeans can make your handbag both stylish and functional. A crossbody denim bag is perfect for daily use and gives a casual yet chic look. You can decorate your denim bags with embroidery for a unique handmade touch. Try adding lace or printed fabric patches to create contrast and beauty. Old denim can be combined with leather pieces for a more premium designs. Using colorful thread can make your bag stand out even more. Recycling denim is a great way to save money while creating something valuable, and you can also save your husband handmade denim bags and earn income from your creativity. Always use strong stitching so your bag can carry weight easily, and adding zipper or buttons will increase the usability of your bags. You can use belt loops from jeans as unique handle holders. So friends, mixing different shades of denim create a modern patchwork designs. Try making backpacks from denim for a trendy and youthful style. Keep your designs neat and clean for a professional finish. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and styles. Friends, denim handbags are perfect for casual outing, shopping, or even collie use. Adding beads or pearls can give your bag a fancy look. Always measure properly before cutting to avoid mistakes. Recycling teaches the value of reusing and being responsible. Handmade items always have a special charm and emotional value. Encourage your friends and family to try recycling products too. Practice regularly to improve your designing and stitching skills. Stay patient. Good designs take time and effort. Keep your creativity alive and always think of new ways to reuse and old things. Remember friends, small steps like recycling can make a big difference in the world. So start today, pick up your old denim and turn it into a beautiful handmade designs. Stay creative, stay positive, and keep making amazing designs, and keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel, because we need your support. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.